Hi, I'm Astrid, the medical esthetician at Lake Nona Ophthalmology Med Spa. Many of my patients ask me, what is the difference between a facial and a HydraFacial? A facial is a deep cleaning treatment where we exfoliate the skin, we extract any impurities from the pores, we replenish the skin barrier with hydrators, and finish off with protection, which is sunscreen. A HydraFacial treatment is done using a device that has a vortex technology. That vortex technology acts like a little tornado. So as we run the device over your skin, the solutions within the device are being deposited within the pores, and then it vacuums everything out. This vortex technology is what sets the HydraFacial apart from just a regular facial. We are not only exfoliating the skin with a microdermabrasion type process, we are getting past the surface of the skin and removing impurities from within at a deeper level than a regular facial. The HydraFacial is performed using solutions that are specifically designed to improve the cellular health of your skin and also improve the texture and appearance of the superficial skin. This technology behind the HydraFacial is what makes it our #1 requested treatment, and it gives our patients long-lasting results that can last anywhere from 14 to 30 days.